Want to earn more this year? Here are the most in-demand skills that actually move the needle on your income. The job market is changing fast, but the skills that pay keep showing up across industries. Today, we'll break down practical, high-impact skills you can start building, how they boost your value, and simple steps to get them on your resume. No fluff, just what helps you level up your earning power. 1. AI literacy and prompt engineering. Being fluent with AI tools is becoming as basic as knowing spreadsheets. If you can turn fuzzy ideas into clear prompts that produce reliable outputs, you save hours and multiply your output. Learn to structure prompts, chain them for complex tasks, and verify results. Pair that with ethical use and data privacy know-how, and you become the person who gets more done with fewer resources. 2. Data analysis and storytelling. Businesses drown in data, but starve for insight. If you can clean messy spreadsheets, run simple analyses, and turn trends into clear decisions, you're valuable fast. Tools like Excel, Google Sheets, SQL, and a dash of Python take you far. Add data storytelling, explaining so what in plain language, and you'll be invited to bigger tables. 3. Product management thinking. Product thinking is about building the right thing, not just building things right. It blends customer insight, prioritization, and measurable outcomes. Learn to write clear problem statements, define success metrics, and run small experiments before big bets. Employers pay more for people who can align work to business impact. 4. Cloud platforms and DevOps basics. Cloud skills are everywhere from startups to enterprises. Understanding AWS, Azure, or GCP fundamentals, plus CI/CD concepts helps you automate, scale, and reduce costs. Even non-engineers benefit from knowing how modern apps deploy and monitor. Certs help, but demonstrating a working project or pipeline often impresses more. 5. Cybersecurity and risk awareness. Security isn't just an IT problem, it's a business priority. Knowing how to handle passwords, access, phishing, and data handling can prevent expensive mistakes. For technical roles, skills like vulnerability scanning, incident response, and security automation are in hot demand. Even basic security literacy raises your value in any team. 6. Sales and negotiation. Every role touches revenue, directly or indirectly. Learn to qualify needs, present value clearly, and handle objections without getting defensive. Negotiation applies to deals, timelines, and compensation practice framing options and trading variables. People who can move deals forward are consistently paid more. 7. Copywriting and persuasive communication. Clear words sell ideas, products, and roadmaps. Strong copywriting turns features into benefits and confusion into clarity. Practice writing concise emails, landing pages, and scripts that lead to action. The better you communicate, the more influence you earn, and influence translates to income. 8. Financial fluency and ROI thinking. Understand how your work affects revenue, costs, and margin. If you can speak in ROI, payback periods, and unit economics, you'll stand out in meetings. Even simple models how $X in effort creates $Y in value help you prioritize better. People who tie projects to dollars get bigger budgets and bigger paychecks. 9. No-code and automation. Speed wins. No-code tools let you build workflows, dashboards, and prototypes without waiting on engineering. Automating repetitive tasks with tools like Zapier or native integrations cuts costs and boosts throughput. If you can build a scrappy solution quickly, you become the go-to fixer. 10. UX research, and customer insight. Knowing what users actually want beats guessing. Learn lightweight research, interviews, surveys, and quick usability tests. Synthesize insights into clear opportunity statements and prioritize based on impact. Products and services that resonate with users drive revenue, and people who find those insights are highly valued. 11. Public speaking and executive presence. You don't need to be a TED speaker, but you should present with calm clarity. Structure your message, land one big idea, and back it up with a simple story or example. Learn to pause, breathe, and answer questions without rambling. Strong presence accelerates promotions and trust. 12. Project management and delivery. Ideas don't pay until they ship. Master scope, timelines, and risk management so work moves from in progress to done. Learn lightweight frameworks like Kanban or Scrum, but focus on clear ownership and deadlines. Reliable delivery is a superpower, and it's rewarded. 13. Software fundamentals for non-developers. You don't need to be a full engineer to benefit from basic coding. Understanding APIs, JSON, and simple scripts helps you automate tasks and collaborate with devs. Learn Git basics, read technical docs, and modify small snippets. Translators between business and tech are indispensable. 14. SEO and performance marketing. Attention is expensive. Organic reach is gold. If you can research keywords, structure content, and measure conversions, you can drive low-cost growth. Pair SEO with performance ads and landing page optimization for a powerful combo. The ability to acquire customers profitably is always in demand. 15. Visual communication and dashboards. People see patterns faster than they read paragraphs. Learn to build clean dashboards and charts that make decisions obvious. Keep visuals simple, label clearly, and highlight the one thing that matters. When leaders can grasp insights in seconds, you become essential. 16. Cross-cultural collaboration. Distributed teams are the norm now. Learn to write clear async updates, confirm understanding, and be time zone friendly. Cultural awareness reduces friction, boosts trust, and speeds delivery. Being the teammate who unblocks global work makes you more promotable. 17. Legal and compliance awareness. You don't need a law degree, but knowing the basics saves headaches. Understand contracts, IP, privacy, and industry regulations relevant to your role. Ask the right questions before a launch or partnership. Risk-aware operators protect revenue and earn leadership trust. 18. Resilience and stress management. Burnout tanks, performance, and pay. Build systems, plan your week, create recovery windows, and set boundaries. Learn to triage tasks urgent, important, or neither, and renegotiate timelines early. Consistent performance over time beats occasional heroic sprints. 19. Portfolio building and proof of work. Proof beats promises. Create a portfolio that shows before and after results, metrics, and your process. Even internal projects and self-initiated case studies count. When you can show outcomes, rate negotiations shift in your favor. 20. Networking and relationship capital. Opportunities flow through people. Make it a habit to help others, share insights, and follow up with value. Aim for a steady cadence, one new connection, one check-in, one introduction per week. Strong networks open doors to higher-paying roles faster. 21. Compensation strategy and job market agility. Learn your market rate, track comparable roles, and keep your LinkedIn and resume crisp. Practice salary conversations with data and a calm tone. Be open to contract or fractional gigs that pay more per hour while you build leverage. Agility improves both earnings and optionality. 22. Learning leverage and meta skills. The skill of learning quickly compounds everything else. Use tight learning loops, set a goal, ship a small project, get feedback, and iterate. Stack complementary skills like data plus storytelling or sales plus product. The combos are where the outsized pay jumps happen. 23. How to prioritize what to learn next. Choose skills that sit closest to revenue in your field. Ask, which bottleneck, if removed, would create the most value? Then pick the smallest skill that removes that bottleneck. Build in public, showcase results, and let that fuel your next step. 24. Fast ways to start today. Pick one skill from this list and give it a 2-week sprint. Define a tiny project, a clear outcome, and a public deliverable. Block daily time, even 30 minutes, and track progress in a simple log. Small wins snowball into bigger paychecks. You don't need every skill, just the right one stacked the right way. Pick one, start small, and show results fast. If this helped, hit subscribe and tell me which skill you're sprinting on next.